Hi, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you how to use Visual Basic to link sheets, and then also some quick tips that are even easier. So you can see here I've created a sheet for you that includes the Visual Basic code you would need to link some sheets. Go ahead, take a moment to write that down. Pause button works great. But there's some other options you have as well. So for example, I created this formula, and you'll see it says Hyperlink, and I'm going to go to the link here sheet B2, and it says this is copied from another sheet. And if I change this text here, change this, and I go back to the original sheet, it has actually changed the text. How cool is that? If I go to the ribbon, I have another option here under Hyperlink. And in this one, it's actually a hyperlink to another file or to another place in the sheet, or I could even actually send it out to an email, to a website or an email address. So you can create hyperlinks as we know them from, for example, from the web, right here in Excel. So this is a great way to link out to other files that may be pertinent to your Excel file. I hope these 3 tips help. Enjoy making your own links and hyperlinks. Thanks for watching.